Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss one important topic of Selenium, that is working with alerts. So in our daily execution or automation, we found different type of alerts. So how exactly we are going to work on those alerts? This is also a key interview question. Let's start this. Yeah. So in Selenium with Java, an alert, that is JavaScript pop-up, can be handled using the alert interface. So how exactly we handle this? Using alert interface. Selenium provides methods to switch to the alert, then accept, dismiss, or get text from it. Okay, and also along with that we can send keys. Basically we enter some text. Okay, there are different key alert methods. Driver.switch to .alert, switch focus to alert. So initially we cannot able to work on alert. First we need to switch, just like how we did it on frame, iframe, or Windows. Similarly, for working with alert, initially we need to switch to the alert. So how we will switch? Driver dot switch to dot alert. Then the focus will switch to alert. Then after that, we can do different action using different methods like alert.getText, that will get alert message text. Then alert.accept, so we'll click OK button. Then alert.dismiss, we'll click cancel button. Then alert.send keys.text, enter text into prompt alert. Okay, so let's do it in a programmatic way. So I'll show you. So if you see in IntelliJ, I have written a program just for your understanding. I have written it in a better way so that you can, so that we will cover all the methods of alert. So how actually design in the sense a public class, let's say alert example, public static void main string args throws interrupted exception, WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver, then driver.manage.window.maximize, it will maximize the Chrome browser. Then driver.get https internetheroco.com javascript alerts. So basically it will navigate to this page. Then it has basically 3 alert buttons mainly. While clicking on those buttons, it will open one alert. So initially it will click on driver.findElement by.xpath. This alert.click, then it will, the alert pop-up will open. So then after that what it will do, it will switch to the alert. As I mentioned, unless until we switch to the alert, we cannot do any kind of action. So alert interface, alert is your driver.switch to .alert, it will switch to the alert. Then get alert text, it will get the text of the alert. How it will get like through alert.getText. With alert.getText, it will get the alert. Then it will wait for 5 seconds so that we can see. Basically this wait I put because we can see during execution, otherwise it will be so fast, so we could not able to see that. So it will wait for 5 seconds. Then after that it will accept the alert.accept. Then what it will do, it will click on another alert button, basically another button which will open one more alert, driver.findElement by.xpath dot click. Then after that what it will do, again it will do, switch to the another alert dot confirm alert is driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, then it will get the text of that particular alert. Then it will wait for 5 seconds and it will dismiss. Either it can accept, it can dismiss, right? So it will dismiss that alert. That is it will click on cancel instead of OK. Then after that what it will do, it will click on another button which will open one more alert. Okay, then after that it will navigate to that particular alert. Prompt alert is equal driver.switch to .alert. Then system.out.println prompt text, prompt alert.getText. It will get the text of that alert. Then it will send the keys, send text to alert. Let's say hello Java Selenium. Okay, it will send text to the alert. It will wait for 5 seconds. Then after that it will accept prompt alert.accept. It will accept the alert. Then it will wait for 5 seconds. Then after that the driver will close. So driver dot quit. Driver will close. Okay, so let's run this and you will see the result. Just observe here. Okay, so it this is I am a JS alert. Then after that I am a JS confirm, another alert, cancel. Then it will send the text. In the background, see hello Java Selenium. You enter hello Java Selenium. It is showing that. Okay, then after that it will quit. Okay, understood. So, and also it capture all the alert texts. Like first one is I am a JS alert, I am a JS confirm alert, I am a JS prompt. Okay, if you will see here, see I am a JS alert. Then next one is I am a JS confirm. Then I am a JS prompt. Okay, here it will enter hello. Just I am showing manually. Hello Java Selenium. Okay, then it will show the hello Java Selenium. Same thing we did it on automation. Understood? One more last time, if you want I can show you. Let's put little bit weight here so that you can observe more. I put 10 seconds instead of 5 seconds. I'm putting 10 seconds. Okay, so that you can observe it in better way. So I just put 10 seconds. This is also 10 seconds. Okay, let's run this. Now it will open Chrome browser. Okay, then it will click on I am a JS alert. See result, just observe the result. It will click on OK. So now it will show. After performing the action in the background, see you have successfully clicked an alert. Then another alert open. I am a JS confirm. So it will show something like cancel. Just observe. See you clicked cancel. Understood? Then let's see the another one. So it will send the value. See you entered hello Java Selenium. Understood? Yeah, that's how it will work, and after that it will close. Okay, perfect. It is working perfectly, absolutely fine. So this way you can able to work on alerts. Okay, this is the whole program. The main code is here. Okay, that's how you can work on alert. Understood? Okay, one more time, just observe all the steps till the end. Okay, that's it guys. I'll come up with some interesting new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys.